5 अगस्त से योम इस्तेसाल कश्मीर है। तो आज के दिन ये मैं करारदाद पेश करना चाहूँगा। गिलगित बल्तिस्तान असेंबली strongly condemns the unilateral unconstitutional action taken by the Government of India on August 5th, 2029 through an abrogation of Article 370 and 35A of its Constitution. The provision has granted special autonomous status to the disputed region of Jammu and Kashmir. The revocation of these articles and reorganization of the region into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, constitutes violation of United Nations Security Council resolutions and disregards the will of Kashmiri people. Moreover, in anticipation and aftermath of the decision, the Indian government imposed severe security lockdown in the region, including curfews, mass deployments of troops, communication blackouts, and arbitrary arrests of the thousands of the political leaders, civil society members, and civilians, thereby violation basic human rights and democratic freedoms. Therefore, the Gilgit-Baltistan Assembly unanimously resolves as follows: to condemn Indian unilateral revocation of Article 370 and 35A is illegal and in violation of international law. To reaffirm that Jammu and Kashmir remains a disputed territory whose final status must be decided in accordance with the UN resolutions and aspirations of its people. The United Nations should promptly conduct a plebiscite in Kashmir pursuant to its resolutions to settle the dispute in accordance with the will of the people. To denounce the grave human rights violations committed in the region since August 2019. To express solidarity with the people of Jammu and Kashmir and support their legitimate right of self-determination. To call upon international community, including the UN and OIC, to take urgent and effective measures to hold India accountable and safeguard the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Your Honor, करवाना चाहता हूँ। मैं पूरा गांव जो कि दूर अफ्तादा होने की वजह से तालीम की सहूलत से महरूम है, महकमा एजुकेशन की हार्ड एरिया पॉलिसी को GB असम्बली से पास कराया गया था, जिसके वजह से GB असम्बली से मंजूरी लेना ज़रूरी है। लिहाजा ऐवान से मुतालिबा है कि गिलगित गाँव को हार्ड एरिया में शामिल, ये पहले भी